Kubernetes 2 Weekends, Course 16 Hours Content Overview. This comprehensive Kubernetes course is designed to provide participants with in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience in Kubernetes, one of the most popular container orchestration platforms. Over 2 weekends, 16 hours, you will learn how to set up, manage, and maintain Kubernetes clusters, as well as deploy and scale applications effectively. The course is structured with practical demonstrations, real-world scenarios, and interactive learning to ensure you gain the skills needed to excel in Kubernetes operations and application management. Who should attend? Freshers, job seekers, professionals seeking a career change, system administrators, and IT operations teams, developers, DevOps engineers, technology enthusiasts, certification aspirants. What you will learn: Kubernetes foundations, evolution of containers and orchestration, understanding Kubernetes architecture and its key components, setting up a Kubernetes cluster using KubeDM, core Kubernetes objects, working with pods, replica sets, and deployments, using namespaces, labels, and selectors for resource organization, networking in Kubernetes, cluster IP, node port, and load balancer, advanced Kubernetes concepts, rolling updates, rollbacks, and deployment strategies, scheduling pods with node affinity, taints, and tolerations, configuring persistent storage with volumes, PVC, and stateful sets, Kubernetes maintenance, scaling clusters and applications, draining nodes and cluster upgrades, backup and restore operations with ECD, security and RBAC role-based access control, RBAC, and service accounts, managing authentication and access control, additional Kubernetes features, ingress controllers, and network policies, monitoring with the Kubernetes dashboard and HPA Helm for Kubernetes package management. Key highlights: hands-on demonstrations for every key concept, real-world use cases in practical applications, guided YAML manifest development for Kubernetes objects, focus on preparation for Kubernetes certifications. Schedule: 4 days, 2 weekends, 4 hours per day, 15th to 16th Feb, 22nd to 23rd Feb, contact call, +91 8639 123675, email tech@factory@gmail.com. Conclusion and key takeaways. By the end of this course, participants will be able to set up and manage Kubernetes clusters independently, deploy, monitor, and maintain containerized applications, prepare for Kubernetes certification exams, CKA. Enroll now to master Kubernetes and accelerate your DevOps career.